Babes,
What's your friend me, you know? Like, yeah, come on. You know how long with this I wait for you? Hmm?
well, Ush.
What did you say you have to tell me now?
Ready, baby. I got this opportunity to travel to Kingston, a job opportunity to make my life better. Something I've been praying for, hoping for, and the time has finally arrived. And I think this is the best thing to take at the moment. So I have to travel to Kingston for this.
Well, you know, so me always support you in everything. I mean, happy say you get a new opportunity. That means now that you get the job now, is either one thing, you know, me have to start look for come at town more often to come spend weekends with you and because I don't know, me still have to, you know?
Babe, you talk it so simple. It's not that simple. This job is going to consume me time-wise, energy-wise. I don't see where this relationship is going to work or to make sense. Being that we're so distant, we're going to be distant. You're all the way in Westmoreland while I'm in Kingston. It can't work, babe.
Babes, how far is it from Westmoreland to Kingston? I just 3 hours, you know. It's not like, say, a foreign year ago, or you migrate down a different country. We're still in a Jamaica. It's just 3 hours away. So it's not if me just come up one weekend, come spend with it. Babes, you understand something, love you? You understand the amount of energy me put in at this relationship, yeah? You have to amount of things we go through, eh?
I agree. I understand. I am sorry. But it's not all about the distance. What about the time?
Babes, look, it's just 3 hours from Kingston, you know, from Westmoreland to go to Kingston. So look, and I like say, yeah, migrate, go foreign or nothing. Vanessa, you love it, you know. Me put in everything what me have in this relationship, and this you can tell me.
So I think some love it too. You don't think someone the best for us.
So-
As a matter of fact, I love you, but you love me more. I got to do what's best for me.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Everything good. You got to get the opportunity and go on. Because guess what, you're not going to style me, you know.
It's not style. Just understand, babe. What's the sense of I being in Kingston while you're in Westmoreland? As I said, that's so far away. Plus, I'll be so busy. I got to focus and to devote myself to the job. Yeah,
You know what?
it's funny.
You know what? Vanessa,
Babe, just know that things can change. Things can get better. For now, just keep your fingers crossed. I'll call you.
so wait, let me understand what you say. You tell me now, say, things can get better.
Of course.
So why since you tell me this now? If things can get better, why you tell me this for? Eh? That means you don't believe in
I did not say things will get better. I said things can get better, meaning there's a possibility. So just
So wait. We must take a relationship and put it upon a possibility of it working out. We just take what you say now and just put it upon a possibility of it working out.
yeah.
When I say, you know, say, I'm mad girl though. You're mad. You're, that way, all the way you tell me, say, is madness. Cause no sensible somebody. You're in a Jamaica. Jamaica is a very small place. So if you're going to tell me, say, you go to town and this can't work up, that's a long distance relationship. We don't know about that distant relationship. People live a foreign and have man out there and them a live good. And people live a town and have man even have ocean and mobile and a live good. So you tell me, say, I'm not finding a girl.
Babe, it's not like that. As I said, it's going to consume me time-wise. What's the sense of a relationship when I can't see you as I would love to? What about when I want me to touch you, to hold you, to squeeze you? What about those, babe?
AI come out now where we can send picture. You can type in, say, write in, send me show me of my man. And AI can do it here. So where you tell me, say, madness here, chat. But take your time and do what you do. Hope we share the best, Vanessa. Vanessa, we share the best.
I'll call you once there's a
Don't
change.
call me phone. That me I tell you. Just do your thing. You hear me I tell you?
You know,
Look for me good. Nobody love me. Cause that way I tell me say they're foolishness. Just do your thing.
one last hug for now, please.
Go give me look for. And that me I tell you, say I don't come deal with me either, you know, girl. And that me I tell you, you know. Oh, that man. Yeah, I don't want to think say it go say. Yeah, me I tell you, you that girl. Nobody feel like say it go so. That me I tell you.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Apologize to your mama. I'm telling back where man.
One babes.
I then bite boy I pass and make up him nice me and talk to and come back. Yeah, babe. We get a missed call. What's up? Someone said today my girlfriend birthday and we will bring her around in the evening or something. Me not sure. Me not sure. What time?
Are this really a go on? I call Andrew. Andreen, you watching news this morning? Girl, you see what go on? Yes, but the serial killer and who ma kill woman. Yes, girl. Yeah. Girl, me no know no. We have to just be. Me no know. We have to just be vigilant.
All right. All right, one.
Yes, girl. I'm saying again. Your man no born. Cause that's why I might kill off the woman them. Girl. Today my birthday. You know, you like you forget. What you do later? Yeah, so we can link up later. Okay then. Okay, friend. All right.
Later. Babes. Yeah, go in now, work, you know, come boss just call me, you know.
Which work?
My boss just call me, so I have to go in now.
For my birthday?
Yeah, me know. And yeah, go me I get money. So get to here then and sort out yourself.
So you tell me say nobody else can go in.
Babes, me say my boss just call me and me have to go in now, so you just go get yourself some something and deal with yourself and later we go out.
Fine. Anyways, you want something to eat? Want me look about something for your breakfast?
No, sir, I'm good man, we grab something.
Okay.
But why can't you answer something like that though?
Because, me no know my mother got think and remember so we don't agree with this already. And my mother don't know nothing about it. So I'm kinda worried. I go stress out.
But look, I don't want you to stress yourself, man.
Honestly, I don't want you to stress yourself.
So honestly, everything is under control, right?
Everything is under control. Just wait. I don't judge that. Wait, why my sister husband? I don't know clinic with one ex girl. What's that? What's that stuff? Krista, why be there work and me just see job? When me just see your husband? Yeah, your husband still there. Cause they still look good here. Yep.
Well, I'm good, girl. One friend. You're good? Yes. My latest. Well, they know today my birthday. Sit down now. You just pop up on me, so you could have called me.
No, because
I'm never there.
No, I mean, once you're there, you're always there.
Wow.
Remember, some know you like that. Anyways, happy birthday. You really think someone remember your birthday?
No, but you know, we'll find them here later.
So it was the day. What going?
I'm going to work. Hmm.
Really?
Yeah. But you give me some cash still. So you know what I mean?
Party.
Shopping. So you come though?
You could have really asked that.
Okay, friend. Sorry, my bad. May I
So-
get ready?
All right, go on, get ready. Me, I'll wait for you.
Good evening.
Hey baby. How was work?
Yeah, it's okay. What time now? Wait. How come you reach home so early?
A little thing going on work today, man. That's why. Come on.
A little thing.
Yeah. When I chuck them, it tire bus, so you end up with car Jason to come put on the tire.
Okay. So that's how we're going to work today?
Mm.
So other than that, what else have you?
You go by the apartment.
Okay.
When I the tenant them if it pipe then room and flood out the place. So
Oh. So like you had a full day, man.
yeah.
You ain't gonna know what else.
Wait, huh?
What else you hear from Keisha?
Peace out.
I've been texting her from her and I'm not hearing from her. You heard from her?
Pardon, me not hear from Keith up on me not hear from Keith up.
Excuse me? You don't hear nothing from Keisha? From when?
Baby, Crystal, where is this coming from?
Where you got coming from? Asking you, have you heard from our surrogates?
Crystal says you our surrogate got after the last time heard her say our surrogate since then. But where is this coming from, Crystal?
Where is what coming from? I'm asking you when you last spoke to our surrogate because I haven't heard from her in how long.
Crystal,
First thing first, I shouldn't be the one calling and checking on her, because she's actually bringing the baby for you. It's my baby, but she's bringing it for you. She's the carrier. So you should even be the one checking on her. So I don't know where you get
Okay,
this from.
why are you getting offensive? Why are you getting defensive?
Because you ask me a question and I answer you and you still repeat and repeat and repeat. Crystal, what is the matter? What is it?
So you're telling me you haven't seen or heard from the young lady?
No, I haven't seen or heard from her. What's the matter for her? It's all like you take me for some liar than a Crystal. I mean, I understand where all of this coming from. Like where they just come up with them as they just come in. And I don't ask what's for dinner or they come and ask.
You say you haven't seen her, right?
Me not see her. Me not see her.
Okay, listen to this.
Husband. Crystal. Why the day at work and this your husband? It's not actually. Like girl, the girl. Crystal, this not look good enough. You have to see what they hold you from. Crystal, your husband still there. You want to know if your husband still with them, cause we don't want you to know. And if you hear about this, you must see what I'm licking across me. So tell me right now. Yeah, your husband still there, cause we don't want to come to there cause no come. So that's why I'm the advice now to first.
But sure think baby did have a one boy and one girl, yeah. Never know say a two girl. You know, say brother mix up.
So that's what you're focused on. I just thought you in a lie. Whereas you told me countless of, you told me 3 times specifically that you have not seen the surrogate. And you were spending the all afternoon today with the surrogate. And I play a voice note of someone who saw you at the clinic. And we agreed that we would all be at every single doctor's visit. So what's going on? What's being hidden? I don't understand.
Alright, honestly, Crystal, I don't think we need to lie to you, but honestly, something happened today, but we just never really want to tell
What
you.
happened?
She did their work and she slide and drop and it worried me and me end up having to leave work and go bring her to the clinic.
Okay, but I haven't gotten one missed call from either of you to say that something is wrong with her and the baby and she's at the doctor. Nothing.
Babes, come on, it happens so fast, I never even remember. But then again, it digital service, them not really work everywhere, they don't pick up everywhere. Digital service don't pick up everywhere. So that's one of the reasons why they probably they call never did I go through.
Really? That's your excuse? You did not call me. Show me the missed call. Show me the call where you called me. You did not call me. Why did you lie to me?
Alright, babes. It's not even me. It's Keisha said she never really want to worry you. So she called me. That's why. I mean, never really mean. Babe, you know something I never really mean to lie to you. And we never really want you to worry either. Because you know our work I really have your stress and everything. I mean, I forgot run back, go back up at the apartment, because at that one the other when she called me, so I just said run out, but I just see coming quick, grab one like something quick here, so.
They eat already?
No, you can prepare lunch dinner until I come back. Me not take long.
Alright.
Can be done. Wait until I come here.
Alright.
Babes, sorry if I lie to you, but I don't know if you're worried about here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I didn't come back up because if I know one thing, I move that woman out of my place, you know, babes. I move him out of my place, man, because when I go in the bathroom, in the bathroom, and I come like, wash it,
And
Like,
she's so feisty.
I tell her to backside.
Alright, what good, babe?
All right, love you.
So, Jada, how which part we are go?
See, shut down this and come on. I'm sorry. Oh, right on the road. By the time we are walk, me tired, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm my idea, remember? It's nothing. Right here. The reach. So how much is it for this?
Oh, this one was 2,500.
All right, this not gonna work enough cause so them. Not gonna work. I like this too. All right, so I'm gonna take this one.
Okay, no.
All right. All right. How much again?
2,500.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, like stuff.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thanks for shopping.
You're welcome.
We have new socks coming in every week.
Mm-hmm.
We have baby clothes, man clothes, shoes, jewelry, everything you need. And here's our card also.
Thank you. It's a friend in style. Bye. Babes, where they? Okay, may I leave or you can meet me at Beach Bunny? Yeah. All right. Okay. You're drunk, you know. This is one for today. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready for a long time. Ready for one for?
No.
Right now? Right this off. All right, lay down. Yeah, freshen up and come back. You here? Okay. Soon come back. Yes. Wake up. Sleep every day, sleep.
Yeah.
How you feel sleep from my night? Let me sort all of this. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?